This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already backed up your data. Now start. Restart and hold Command-R to boot recovery. This isolates the drive. Once recovery appears, choose Disk Utility from Utilities. Make sure View is set to show all devices so you see physical disks and containers. This matters because erasing the wrong volume won't remove hidden containers. Select the physical disk you want to erase, not just a volume. Then move immediately to Format and Scheme choices to avoid partial wipes. You need the right format and partition scheme. This controls bootability and performance. For SSD pick apps, for older spinning drives, use Mac OS Extended Journaled. Make sure scheme is GUID partition map, otherwise your Mac won't boot. Enter a clear name so you recognize the drive later. Click Erase and confirm. Disk Utility will unmount the volume, rewrite the partition map, and format the volume. If you're reinstalling Mac OS, quit Disk Utility and continue with Reinstall Mac OS in recovery. Once Disk Utility finishes erasing, quit and either reinstall Mac OS or restore your backup. That completes the process. If erase fails or reports errors, run first aid on the disk to repair the container and file system, then try erasing again. This fixes many transient corruption issues. If problems persist, use Terminal in recovery and run Diskutal list and Diskutal erase disk with the correct identifiers. Be careful, those commands are destructive. That single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn disks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.